I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our front adjustable toolbox racking. The tools you're going to need are a 6mm Allen key, PZ2 bit and a rubber mallet. So first we're going to start by assembling our shelves. We've got 3 shelves. We've got the top, the middle and the bottom. The top and the middle are exactly the same. The bottom one has just got 2 pieces, but the front piece is the main panel. So we're going to start with our top shelf. We're going to take the base with the textured side facing up. We're going to grab our rear panel and we're going to slot them together. Take our front piece, the textured side out. So that's our top shelf complete. The middle shelf's exactly the same way as the top shelf. So as I said, the bottom one's different. It's just got 2 pieces, textured side in, textured side up. So that's our shelves assembled now. All that's left to do is screw them together. Take our 30mm wood screws you get in the fitting pack, 1 at each side of the tenons. So that's our 3 shelves now assembled. All we've got left to do is the bottom shelf. We've got to put the front panel on, smooth side out, and just screw the front onto the shelf. So next step, we're going to take our shelves, fit them to our first end panel. We're going to rotate this end panel so that the texture side is facing into the shelving unit. We're going to take our top shelf, line the holes up. Take our middle shelf, again, lining the holes up. And finally, take our bottom shelf with our front panel on, line up. Next step, we're going to take our middle panel and line up like so. So next step is we're going to screw it all together. I'm going to take our 30mm wood screws, 1 at either side of the tenons. Then we're going to turn the unit over and do the same on the other side. Finally, we'll rotate the unit to its back and screw the front panel to the rest of the unit. And that's our fixed side of our unit screwed together. So now we're going to put our toolbox shelves together. All the shelves go together in the same way. So you're going to take your toolbox shelf, the textured side up, and note the recessed holes want to face into where the toolbox is sitting. Turn it over, and then we're going to put 2 30mm screws at either side. And that's one of our toolbox shelves complete. Repeat the process with the others. So depending on which option you choose, whether it be a full toolbox rack or a trolley version, if you order the trolley version, you'll receive a trolley shelf and just 1 toolbox. If you order a toolbox rack, you're going to receive 2 of them, not the trolley. So we're now going to assemble our trolley shelf. So first we're going to take our base with the texture side up, put our rear piece in there like so, and knock these tenons in so they're flush. We're then going to take our front rail and locate that. And locate like so. Then we're going to take our side mounting pieces, again with the recessed hole facing in. Just locate the tenons. Flip it over. Same again, recessed in. So once we've assembled our trolley shelf, we're going to now just screw it together with the 30mm wood screws. So now we're ready to connect our trolley shelves or toolbox shelves to our main body of our racking. So we're going to take our 6mm Allen key bolts and simply screw into the main structure. So if you bought our full toolbox version, instead of the trolley shelf, you'll fit the toolbox shelf in its place. So next we're going to take our last end panel and marry it up to the shelf. Let's take our 6mm Allen key. To fit the top shelf, it's the same principle as the lower shelf, using the 4 6mm Allen key bolts. So that's our main rack now assembled. So if you've purchased our optional top tray, 3 pieces, rear, base and the front, simply place the rear into the holes and the front piece into the grooves. And then with our yellow Aussie drive screws, simply screw together. And the rear from the underside, simply screw together again. From here now you can just attach it to the main body of the rack. Flush at either end, flush at the front. And it just attaches with 1 screw at either end. And that completes our assembly of our front adjustable toolbox racking. Thanks for watching.